week of Camp House Barbecue. We're here with my brother Jody. Güero Puñets. We're out here throwing some cannons. Cheers. Cheers. We're enjoying our days off before our dove season starts. So we're gonna be smoking a little bit of, what do we got today? We got whole prairie fresh spare ribs. We're gonna be cooking whole spare ribs on the La Liz, the UDS drum. I got her lit up. We're bringing her up to temp, and we're gonna see how it goes, guys. So we'll catch y'all here in a bit. Let's get started. I'm gonna start prepping these, and I'm gonna bring y'all along, and then we'll come back to the drum. Check y'all in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna do much to these. I'm not gonna cut them down to St. Louis. We're gonna let them go whole. Like I said, I'm not gonna do nothing special to them. We're just gonna let them ride and see what comes out. Might take a little bit of that excess fat, but if this was competition, I would cut them up into competition style sides or whatever, but I might just take this off right here. Don't burn out anyways. Some of this little excess fat here. I'm not even gonna pull the membranes off. This is just something. We're gonna do a little bit of a beer drinking cooking today, you know, just set them and forget them. I'll probably end up doing this right here, guys. Just trim out this edge right here. It's thin anyways. It'll burn off. But for the most part, some of this excess fat that's just on here, I will burn off. So that's about it on these. I went a little bit deep on there. But like I said, we're gonna be doing beer drinking barbecue. So I'll just take some little hangers like this excess fat here, take it off a little bit. This one right here, just a little excess. That's about it. Anything you can see that's kind of crazy, but we're not taking no rip tips. We're not doing anything, guys. So I'm gonna clean both of them up, and then I'll come back when I start seasoning them. Push that red button.
They should be almost back. I only have 5 bags.
All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use that SPG that I make. It's coarse salt, coarse pepper, and cumin, and I'm gonna use that as a base layer just on the back end. Okay, let's go. Damn flies out here. Get back. So we're gonna put that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one. This is my Crawford's Alamo dust. I'm gonna give it just a little coat on top. Just give it a little color. And we're running post oak and pecan today on the drum. So, all right, I'm gonna flip them up on the other side, guys. Repeat the same process. So like I said, nothing special today. We're doing beer drinking barbecue today. Just set them in there, forget them, drink some beer, and when they're done, they're done. Be my last cook before I go back on, before I go start working. I go back in tomorrow night, working nights. So Jody came on down, and he's gonna go do a little work on his ranch, and we're gonna be just doing some cooking. You'll hear the, excuse my sheep, and my rooster. Last time it was my rooster, now it's my sheep and my rooster. So,
they're back.
All right, guys. I'm gonna finish seasoning these up. Let them sit a little bit, not too long, because these flies are attacking. And then we'll check back after a while. All right. we're gonna set these in here. She's running hot, like 275. So I'm gonna do a little hot and fast rib on there. So there she is. We're gonna touch them up and see what happens. All right, guys, we'll check back in a bit. Backyard beer drinking barbecue. We didn't trim, we didn't do nothing. It's a little parquet, little head country. And we're gonna put this rack over there. I'm coming over here. I'm gonna go bone side down. There you go, they're getting it. Little butter on the back end. We got some good bone pull and everything. Just butter to get the moisture in there. Little barbecue sauce. Nothing special, guys, today. Like I said, we smoked them for about, I'm gonna say 2.5 hours till we got the color we wanted, and
they are heavy. So.
He got you know how that.
Not yet, though. Not yet. To me, it's nothing. But to him,
because you're a badass.
no, I'm not a badass at all. I'm just being honest. It could be a little heavy for him. Those big ones are heavy.
So they're done. They're about 210. I have probed them in between the bones. So I'm gonna pull them out here. You are watching them just with me because it is hot. You are watching the unveiling just with everybody else. This is the way we're doing it. Boom. So we got some pretty good bone pull. That brisket bone just comes right out. Let me see if I can get them out here without screwing them up and put them on the cutting board. There they are. They're cutting pretty good. We're gonna check them right now. Let's see what comes up. All off the bone. Check it out. Twist it. Pull. Like I said, this is just backyardigans. I think there's a cartoon like that for kids. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get one of these guys to try it out, and then we'll see what's up. We'll check back in here right now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get my buddies to taste test. My camera guy has been with me the whole afternoon. He's gonna take one. Go ahead and grab one and try it out. Right here. There you go. Ready?
I'll take this one home.
Oh, there it is. They're hot as crud, guys. Right now we're gonna put a little bit more sauce on top, some of that Memphis Mistress from Crawford. But like I said, this is just backyard beer drinking. You know, we're pulling out bones, throwing bones. There you go. We're throwing bones, and there ain't $100 bills, but we're eating. We're eating fine. We're doing all right. Hey guys, I appreciate all the love and support y'all been giving me so far. We broke 150 subscribers this past week. Hey, I'm gonna keep putting out content. Like I said, this is just nothing. It's a simple recipe, backyard. You can do it on your Webers, you can do it on your offset smokers, whatever it is. I didn't trim nothing, it was just a solid cook. Hey, once again, I appreciate all the love and support, the loves, the likes, the shares, and we'll catch you on the next one.